Top 5 Best Cheap Hotels in Hanoi. Hanoi is a charming city that boasts a millennium of fascinating history and rich cultural traditions. Vietnam's capital city is a treat for travelers who will enjoy meandering through the narrow streets, exploring the unique combination of antiquity and modernity. Here are the top hotels to accommodate travelers on a budget. 1. Tulin Legend Hotel. The Tulin Legend Hotel is centrally located in Hanoi's Old Quarter, with Hoan Kiem Lake, the Temple of Literature, and the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum all within walking distance. The welcoming staff are helpful and accommodating, ensuring their guests are well looked after and even going above and beyond to assist with booking local tours and activities. Each of the hotel's spotless 32 rooms features a tasteful decor and warm ambience. The Tulin Legend offers excellent value for a low price. 2. Holiday Emerald Hotel. The Holiday Emerald Hotel is a top-rated budget hotel also residing in the Old Quarter. The tasteful decor is reminiscent of an expensive 5-star hotel and the rooms are surprisingly quiet for being in such a central location. Several rooms feature floor-to-ceiling windows that offer sunny views onto the neighboring restaurants, cafes, and spas. It is a true gem in the middle of Hanoi and one that guests return to time and time again. 3. 3B Hotel Hanoi. This Art Deco-inspired hotel lies a mere 5-minute walk from peaceful Hoan Kiem Lake and its many surrounding bars and restaurants. Each room at 3B Hotel is spotlessly clean, with a trendy and edgy vibe not expected from a budget hotel. Traditional Oriental furnishings blend well with modern amenities, giving guests the best of two worlds. Several rooms feature a balcony overlooking the romantic streets of the Old Quarter. 4. Splendid Star Grand Hotel. The Splendid Star Grand Hotel is an elegant 3-star hotel with 5-star service. Guests routinely rave about the outstanding quality of the modern amenities as well as the Western and Vietnamese daily breakfast options. The sleek, stylish rooms feature noise-cancelling windows to guarantee a peaceful night's sleep, and the extraordinary staff will be happy to assist their guests with anything they may need. It's a terrific location is close to dozens of trendy bars and cafes to unwind in after a busy day of sightseeing. 5. Hanoi Symphony Hotel. This boutique hotel is nestled away from the busier Hanoi streets yet still boasts a convenient location close to cool cafes and exciting nightlife. The Hanoi Symphony Hotel prides itself on its elegant decor that reflects the traditional culture around the neighborhood. Oil paintings, vintage photos and Eastern furnishings make guests feel like they've stepped into their home away from home. Each room is immaculate and even their standard suites feature a queen-size bed. To top it off, the daily breakfast spread is scrumptious.